What's going on, family? So we are at this location checking out this home. Been around checking out a few. Today it's been a day I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm still a little tired, man. I'm looking forward to going to lay down for a second.
This one has a side thing to it. I think this used to be a pool. Right here. It has that side over there.
Oh, okay. You got that back there in this little side.
Yeah.
That's a big yard, though.
It's nice, huh? I love this tree.
Yeah, it's a big yard. It's just I don't know, it's something you can store something under here. Maybe he had a little generator or something over here.
But that's all that this one came with. But I think it's fully loaded. I bet you this used to be a pool.
Probably not. Yeah, probably was another extension to the house, probably.
No, I think it's a pool because you can see the anchors. See the anchors?
But that's for concrete too. I mean, for a stud wall, it could have been a mason wall. Like this. See, it could have been a part of the house. That's what that is. And they could put they put a rebar up in it to make it stronger, you know?
I like the porch. I love the porch. Look, and it's even got a close, so little Missy can come out here and I don't have to worry about her running out.
Hold on.